Most people believe planning a holiday is simple. Pick a destination, book a flight, reserve a hotel, and hope everything works out. But here's the truth. No one tells you. That approach is exactly why so many trips feel stressful, expensive, and forgettable. The best travelers in the world, people who move smoothly through airports, avoid crowds, save money, and come home with unforgettable stories, don't plan holidays the normal way. They follow quiet rules, invisible rules. Rules learned through mistakes, missed flights, wasted money, and ruined itineraries. Today, you're about to hear 50 powerful travel tips used by smart holiday planners around the world. These are not generic tips. They are mindset shifts, hidden strategies, and real-world lessons that transform how travel actually feels. Some of these tips will challenge your habits. Some will save you money instantly, and some may permanently change how you plan every trip from now on. Before we begin, subscribe now, because if you love travel, curiosity, and smarter ways to see the world, you'll want every video that follows. Now let's start with how smart travelers think before booking anything. Tip 1. Never start with a destination. Smart travelers don't begin with a place. They begin with an intention. Are you seeking rest, adventure, romance, culture, or personal reflection? When you start with a destination, you limit possibilities. When you start with a feeling, the world opens up. The best trips align with emotional goals, not Instagram trends. Tip 2. Choose travel dates before choosing places. Dates control everything: prices, crowds, weather, and energy. A destination in March can feel completely different in August. Smart planners lock in flexible date ranges first, then allow destinations to compete for their attention. This single shift can dramatically reduce stress and cost. Tip 3. The cheapest trips are discovered, not searched. Typing one destination into a search bar limits opportunity. Smart travelers explore deals broadly, allowing unexpected locations to appear. Many unforgettable trips begin with, "I wasn't planning to go there, but..." Discovery beats rigid planning every time. Tip 4. Avoid school holiday weeks globally. Even if you don't have children, school calendars silently drive global travel demand. Flights sell faster, hotels raise prices, and attractions overflow. Smart travelers research international school holidays, not just local ones, to avoid peak congestion without sacrificing experience. Tip 5. Travel shoulder seasons, not peak seasons. Shoulder seasons offer the best balance of weather, pricing, and atmosphere. Locals are relaxed, services are better, and destinations feel authentic. Peak seasons prioritize volume. Shoulder seasons prioritize experience. Smart travelers know the difference. Tip 6. Plan one anchor. Experience. Every great trip revolves around one defining moment: a safari, festival, mountain hike, or cultural event. Smart travelers build the itinerary around this anchor, ensuring the trip has purpose and emotional payoff instead of random activities. Tip 7. Never overplan the first 2 days. Jet lag, airport stress, and sensory overload are real. Smart travelers deliberately keep the first days light. This allows the body and mind to adjust, setting the tone for the rest of the journey. Tip 8. Don't chase famous landmarks. Chase moments. Landmarks impress briefly. Moments linger forever. Smart travelers prioritize experiences, local meals, spontaneous walks, conversations, over checklist sightseeing. The memory of how a place felt always outlasts photos of where you stood. Tip 9. Plan your exit day like a beginner. Many trips end badly because departure days are rushed and chaotic. Smart travelers treat exit days gently, scheduling minimal activities and leaving buffer time. A calm ending preserves the memory of the entire trip. Tip 10. Decide what you're willing to miss. Trying to see everything guarantees exhaustion. Smart travelers intentionally choose what not to do. Missing things is not failure, it's focus. Depth always beats breadth in travel. If these first 10 tips already changed how you think about travel, subscribe now, because what comes next will save you money, time, and unnecessary frustration on every future trip. Tip 11. Book flights before hotels. Flights are less flexible and more price-sensitive than hotels. Smart travelers secure flights first, then adapt accommodation choices around confirmed arrival and departure times. This prevents costly itinerary reshuffling. Tip 12. Midweek flights aren't just cheaper, they're calmer. Tuesday and Wednesday flights experience fewer crowds, shorter security lines, and calmer airports. The atmosphere alone can reduce stress before your trip even begins. Tip 13. Always search flights in private mode. Dynamic pricing reacts to browsing behavior. Private mode reduces personalized price inflation and ensures you see cleaner pricing signals rather than manipulated urgency. Tip 14. One-way tickets can be smarter than round trips. Especially across continents, one-way bookings offer flexibility, better routing, and sometimes lower total costs. Smart travelers design journeys, not loops. Tip 15. Fly into one city, out of another. Open-jaw tickets reduce backtracking and maximize exploration. This approach saves time, money, and energy while increasing the sense of progression through a destination. Tip 16. Stop fearing long layovers. Long layovers can be opportunities for bonus destinations. Smart travelers plan intentional stopovers, turning travel time into exploration rather than inconvenience. Tip 17. Budget airlines aren't cheap if you pack wrong. Low fares often hide baggage and seating costs. Smart travelers read policies carefully and pack strategically to avoid inflated final prices. Tip 18. Never choose seats too early. Aircraft changes are common. Early seat selection may be reassigned. Smart travelers wait until closer to departure when configurations stabilize. Tip 19. Loyalty matters more than points. Elite status saves time, stress, and energy through priority lanes and flexibility. Smart travelers value comfort over occasional free flights. Tip 20. Book accommodation based on transport access. Beautiful hotels lose appeal if commuting is exhausting. Smart travelers prioritize proximity to transit, walkability, and convenience over aesthetic. Tip 21. Always read the worst reviews first. Most travelers make the mistake of starting with 5-star reviews filled with vague praise. Smart travelers do the opposite. They read the lowest-rated reviews first to identify recurring problems: noise, cleanliness, rude staff, poor location. One angry review means nothing. 10 similar complaints mean everything. Tip 22. Hotels are for recovery, not entertainment. Your hotel is not the destination, it's your recovery station. Smart travelers prioritize quiet rooms, comfortable beds, and reliable showers over flashy decor. A hotel that helps you sleep deeply, recharge mentally, and reset physically will improve every single day of your trip more than luxury features ever could. Tip 23. Stay slightly outside tourist centers. Tourist centers are designed for convenience, not authenticity. Prices are higher, food is generic, and crowds dominate the atmosphere. Smart travelers stay just outside these zones, close enough to access attractions, but far enough to experience local rhythms, calmer streets, better food, and more genuine interactions. Tip 24. Always email the hotel after booking. Most travelers book and disappear. Smart travelers communicate. A polite email requesting a quiet room, early check-in, or higher floor signals respect and organization. Hotels remember this. Small requests often result in better room placement or complimentary upgrades without asking directly. Tip 25. Breakfast should be a strategic decision. Hotel breakfast can either save time or waste money. Smart travelers assess value, variety, and convenience. In some cities, local cafes offer better food and cultural immersion. In others, hotel breakfasts prevent chaotic mornings. The key is choosing intentionally, not automatically clicking Include Breakfast. Tip 26. Elevators reveal hotel efficiency. Elevators are silent indicators of hotel operations. Slow, overcrowded, or poorly maintained elevators create daily frustration, especially after long days. Smart Smart travelers scan reviews for elevator complaints because small daily irritations compound quickly and can subtly ruin the rhythm of a trip. Tip 27. Noise ruins more trips than bad weather. Rain passes, noise doesn't. Thin walls, street traffic, or late-night bars can destroy sleep quality. Smart travelers prioritize soundproofing, room placement, and quiet zones. A peaceful night's sleep directly impacts mood, energy, patience, and how enjoyable every experience feels the next day. Tip 28. Too many hotel changes create hidden fatigue. Hotel hopping looks adventurous but drains energy. Packing, checking out, commuting, and resettling steals time and mental focus. Smart travelers minimize accommodation changes, choosing longer stays that allow familiarity, routine, and comfort to develop naturally during the trip. Tip 29. Storage space equals mental clarity. A cramped room with nowhere to unpack creates constant clutter. Smart travelers value functional space, drawers, shelves, luggage stands, because organization reduces stress. When your space feels calm, your mind follows. Comfort is not luxury, it's psychological stability. Tip 30. The best hotel helps you live the city. A great hotel doesn't isolate you, it integrates you. Smart travelers choose places that make it easy to step outside and immediately feel part of the city. Walkability, transport access, and neighborhood life matter more than room size or design themes. Tip 31. Learn at least 5 local phrases. Knowing how to say hello, thank you, excuse me, and please transforms interactions. Smart travelers understand that effort earns respect. Locals respond differently when they see you trying, even imperfectly. Language effort opens doors, softens mistakes, and often leads to unexpected kindness. Tip 32. Dress like locals, not tourists. Clothing is social language. Dressing like locals helps you blend in, reduces unwanted attention, and increases safety. Smart travelers observe local styles, colors, modesty levels, footwear, and adapt accordingly. Blending in doesn't erase identity, it protects it. Tip 33. Eat where menus are not translated. Translated menus signal tourist targeting. Smart travelers seek places filled with locals, even if ordering feels uncomfortable. Food is culture, and authentic flavors rarely cater to outsiders. Trust observation over convenience. Crowded local restaurants are almost always worth the effort. Tip 34. Avoid attractions near cruise ports. Cruise port attractions are built for speed, not depth. They are overcrowded, overpriced, and rushed. Smart travelers move away from these zones to find quieter, richer experiences that reflect real local life instead of mass tourism packaging. Tip 35. Walk the city without a destination. Unstructured walking reveals details no guidebook mentions. Hidden cafes, street musicians, unexpected views. Smart travelers allow themselves to wander. Discovery happens when you stop chasing locations and start observing surroundings. Tip 36. Trust patterns, not individual opinions. One person's bad experience may be emotional or situational. Smart travelers look for repeated themes across reviews and conversations. Patterns reveal truth. If many people mention the same issue or praise the same strength, believe the pattern. Tip 37. Always carry small cash. Digital payments fail, especially during outages, rural travel, or emergencies. Smart travelers carry small denominations for taxis, tips, markets, and backup scenarios. Cash provides independence when technology disappears. Tip 38. Be friendly but discreet. Oversharing travel plans with strangers creates risk. Smart travelers balance warmth with discretion. You can be kind without revealing accommodation details, schedules, or valuables. Safety is not fear, it's awareness. Tip 39. Respect local pace and rhythm. Every culture moves differently. Rushing in slow cultures creates friction. Smart travelers observe and adapt. Respecting local rhythm improves service, reduces stress, and deepens connection. Tip 40. Your attitude shapes your entire experience. Travel mirrors mindset. Curiosity attracts kindness. Entitlement invites resistance. Smart travelers approach destinations with humility and openness, knowing that their behavior often determines how a place responds to them. Tip 41. Pack outfits, not individual clothing. Random clothing creates decision fatigue. Smart travelers pack complete outfits that work together. This saves time, reduces overpacking, and ensures you're prepared for multiple situations without excess luggage. Tip 42. Always keep one emergency outfit in carry-on. Lost luggage happens, even to experienced travelers. Smart travelers pack essentials, underwear, basic clothing, toiletries, and chargers in carry-on luggage. This simple habit prevents panic and allows trips to continue smoothly despite delays. Tip 43. Less luggage equals more freedom. Heavy bags restrict movement, increase stress, and limit spontaneity. Smart travelers pack light to move freely, on stairs, trains, and streets. Freedom of movement directly improves enjoyment. Tip 44. Wake up early at least twice during the trip. Early mornings reveal destinations at their most authentic. Quiet streets, fresh markets, soft light. Smart travelers schedule early starts intentionally to experience places before crowds dominate. Tip 45. Leave your final evening unscheduled. Last-minute pressure ruins endings. Smart travelers leave their final evening open for reflection, favorite repeats, or simple rest. Ending gently preserves the emotional memory of the entire journey. Tip 46. Buy souvenirs earlier than you think. Waiting until the last day creates rushed decisions and missed opportunities. Smart travelers buy meaningful items when they see them, allowing time for reflection rather than panic purchases. Tip 47. Always leave something unexplored. Seeing everything removes mystery. Smart travelers intentionally leave one experience undone. This creates a reason to return and keeps the destination alive in memory rather than completed. Tip 48. Reflect before returning home. Trips end quickly, but reflection locks memories in place. Smart travelers journal, voice note, or mentally review experiences before returning to routine. This preserves emotional value. Tip 49. Never compare trips. Each journey serves a different chapter of life. Comparing destinations or experiences reduces appreciation. Smart travelers honor each trip for what it offered in that moment. Tip 50. The best trips change how you see the world. The true value of travel isn't distance, it's perspective. Smart travelers return home seeing cultures, people, and themselves differently. That internal shift is the real souvenir. Here's the question that separates travelers from tourists. Are you traveling to escape life or to experience it more deeply? Because the smartest holiday planners don't chase destinations. They chase meaning. They chase moments. They chase stories worth telling long after the suitcase is unpacked. If this video changed how you think about travel, even slightly, subscribe now. Because every trip you haven't taken yet can still be better planned. And tell me in the comments, which of these 50 tips surprised you the most? And where are you traveling next? Your next great journey may already be waiting.
Waka Travels, your journey is our signature.